Hi, and welcome to the second video on assignment 1 for topic 7. We created in the first video two create functions, one to create RGB colors and one to create person objects. So they went like this, and now we're being asked to calculate the distance between two colors. So if they're the same, of course, we're going to call them the same color and give them a distance 0. So how similar are two colors? We can do this with just the sum of the squares of the differences within each color component, and then you might as well make the take the square root of this, but we don't have to. So let's see what we can come up with. I need the color distance between two colors. So I'm going to call them color 1 and color 2. And then I need to return the sum of squares of the differences within each color component. So I have three color components. In color 1, we have the R and the or in color 2, we're going to square the difference. We can do that with star star 2, and we can do the same for R, G, and B, and we're going to sum all these squares. Of course, I need to change R to G and B. So the sum of the squares of the differences for each color component. Let's see if that's what the tests do as well. And this seems okay. So as you can see, we have two equal colors with color channels 1, 2, 3 for RG and B on both sides, so the difference should be 0 as it is. And now we have only on the R channel in this test a difference of 1. 1 squared will be 1. Now we have in the third case a difference of 2 for the G, the green channel. Difference is 2, squared would be 4. And if we have a difference in the third channel of 3, squared would be 9. You could add to this the square root of this, and by which you would have a Euclidean distance. Let me show that as well. So in math you have the square root, and you could take the square root of this whole sum of squares of differences, and that would be the Euclidean distance. Okay, but that's not what's being asked, so I'm going to refrain from adding that to my solution. That's it for the color distance function. Off to the next and last video about finding a match, and that's going to be about finding a person in an array of people, and find the one that has a favorite color that's closest to the favorite color or the person you are given. Okay.